Excel is a tool that helps us with our calculations, but the simple calculations, we will probably always be able to do them in our heads, if they are very simple, much more quickly than Excel. For example, we are going to do a mental calculation. Do it with me. 1030 plus 1030 and 30 plus 10. In Excel, we would never take such a short amount of time.
We would have to write 1030 plus 1030 plus 30 plus 10.
So we would have to introduce the four numbers and then say, in this one, we are going to put the expression of this plus this plus this. And then after hitting enter, we would see the result that we had all calculated correctly in our heads, much faster, of course.